Alright guys, this is the second chapter, this is the second build for the Wendigo animatronic. Now is the build time to build for the animatronic. So what I started with was this. I started with my box. Yeah. This is the box that the creature's going to be sitting on. These are just out of a little scrap wood I had from last year. And I put together a box in 30 minutes. So yeah. Anyway, on this box, the creature will be sitting on a 35 and a quarter tall box, 21 and 5/8 long, and 18 and a quarter wide. So there's going to be 3 panels in this box. There's going to be 3 sealed sides on this box, and the back of it is marked open. And this is where I can get in the back of the animatronic and set up the shaft that runs down. The motor will be inside of here. This will be in here. I'm going to build a platform in the bottom so I can attach this box to this. So yeah, I know it's nighttime already, and since I can't see right now in dark time cutting the wood, I'm gonna get out there tomorrow and cut the wood. So see you later on tomorrow, and we'll discuss more. Discuss more of it. Alright guys, so it's already daytime. I did this yesterday, and this is more onto the animatronic. So I started putting the coverings on this guy. So yeah, here's the whole covering. This is made out of, the covering is made out of cheap plywood. Cheapy little plywood that I have around. And to give it more of a mobile look, we can roll around, I built a axle system out of some little scrap wood and drilled some hole saws in it. So yeah, this is just an axle, so the dowel will roll and the table is mobile. The mills are just a guide to hold the middle. Hey! Quit digging! The mill is just a support for the axle so it doesn't go flopping around. And same as the airway. As soon as I get another dowel, then I can go ahead and 3D print some wheels. Screw on the wheels and the table should be movable to roll around. So in a couple of days I'll film more of this. So yeah. So yeah, I'll film more of this as soon as I get the other axle and I print the wheels. So I'll be back in a couple days. Alright guys. So it's dark out now. This just got done today. So now this character moves. So yeah, here it is. It moves. It moves, and now it's a movable piece. This time, since I built an animatronic last year, my last animatronic fell apart on me. And when I was thinking about this character, I thought, you know what? It might be easy to have a roller system. So, yeah. It's on a really old shopping cart. It's an old shopping cart that was found. Nothing got taken or anything. It was just an old shopping cart. So anyway, yeah. So now, this is that cabinet that the animatronic will sit on. And I also known, since this was going to fall apart, so this was going to fall off the cart, that I would 3D print some connectors and bolt them to some plywood. This plywood is big enough to go around. We can take it out from our backyard to our front yard this Halloween and send it back here. So yeah, this plywood down here, this decking, I'm gonna now spray foam. I'm gonna spray foam it and I'm gonna turn it into a rock, and then start building on the animatronic. It took a couple weeks to wait, but yeah. We can just roll it back. everything. This cart was, the shopping cart was broken anyway when I found it. So yeah. So now the creature is ready to be built. So next time I'm going to start foaming and building on the rock. And I'll see how long I need it to, how long the stuff's going to be, and then I'm going to start building on the character. Still March. So yeah.